Hi guys, welcome. All right, we've decided to change a channel because we've got some. We were trying to monetize YouTube, Parliament House TokTok, but due to some YouTube guidelines that we have come through, and that's the reason why I've decided to change the channel. Right now, we're gonna be based on the channel gonna be based on YouTube, PNG YouTube TokTok. So it's all about uh, sharing content regarding YouTube, how to grow, how to monetize YouTube, in especially in Papua New Guinea. In some other countries, they have already started their YouTube. They have already heading in YouTube. PNG maybe few, only few people are already earning on YouTube, and I'm telling you all the PNGians, for example, especially 16 years and 18 years above, please make sure to join a YouTube. It's a this social media platform. I'm telling you guys, this is the platform that you're gonna hand. This is the platform that you're gonna survive, and this is not for the people who are just thinking and won't create anything. No, this is for people who are not gonna sleep. This is for people who are activated. This is for people who are active. And if you want to make money, if you want to make money online through YouTube, guys, start now. Thank you very much. All right, this channel gonna be changed, and it's all gonna be changed. Now it's gonna be called PNG YouTube TokTok. All about YouTube, guys. Thank you very much, and see you on more video coming. Thank you very much for your subscribing. Thank you very much for following me, and also please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button, and make sure don't forget to click on the notification bell for more new updates. Thank you so much. Signing out.